the kitten made her a birthday cake.
She picked up some raspberries from her garden and took them inside. All the ingredients were already prepared. She is making raspberry birthday cake. She started whisking the flour and added ingredients. After making the dough ready, she cut the raspberries and added them into the structure. Then her cake was ready to be baked and she put it in the oven. And ta-da! Her cake was ready. She took it out and decorated it.
Mmm!